Okay guys, in this video, my name is Rahmat Wibowo. I am the CEO of Infaloka. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Stone Post, Sri Vijaya Prasasti as Ancient Social Media by Rahmat Wibowo from Infaloka. So, how a 7th century maritime empire projected divine power, threatened enemies, and shaped public opinion through inscription sent like viral broadcasts across the archipelago. Long before the era of algorithm and viral posts, the rulers of Srivijaya had already mastered sacred authority, dispatched them to the ages of their domain, a network broadcast system of divine propaganda, territorial warning, and psychological dominance. Between 7th and 13th century CE, Srivijaya Maritime Empire, centered in what is now Palembang, South Sumatra, controlled the Strait of Malacca, the arteries of maritime Silk Road, and a vast thalassocratic network stretching from the Malay Peninsula to the island of Indonesian archipelago. At the heart of their political communication strategy were the prasasti, a royal inscription sigled in Palava script, written in Old Malay mixed with Sanskrit, and placed at strategic points across their territory and at the boundaries of kingdoms they intended to absorb or intimidate. This is the comparison to modern social media is neither frivolous nor anachronistic. It is structurally precise. Each prasasti served as broadcast to divine audience, local lords, vassals, rival kingdoms. It carried a curated message of royal authority and the supernatural legitimacy. It threatened consequence of disloyalty, and critically identical or near identical texts were replicated, distributed across multiple locations, just as posts go live in multiple feeds simultaneously. So, so the architecture of ancient viral content. Modern social media platforms share structural features with Srivijayan's prasasti practice that become immediately visible once we articulate them. Both systems involve a central authority. So the viral mechanism will be explained. So this is the modern social media post posted by verified authority account. Srivijayan Prasasti broadcast issued in the name of the Maharaja Dapuntahyang, and then it's about the glorification of the senders, and then that one's the governor of the king. So modern social media is like supernatural or divine framing, influencer blessing, and it is a divine. Yeah, so that's kind of thing. So for example, this is the example of Prasasti Kedukan Bukit. Original script: Swasti Sri Saka Varsatita. Well, I don't know how to say this. Ekadasi Sukla Paksa Fulan Vaisaka Dapunta Hyam Nayik di Samphau Manalap Sidayatra di Saptami Sukla Paksa Vulan Jesta Dapunta Hyam Marlapas dari Minana Tamfan Mama Yam Faladuva Laksa etc. So this is the Old Malay in the encryption of the Palav script. This is the Indonesian. And this is the English. Hail, prosperity in the year Saka 605 on the 11th day of the bright fourth night of the month of Vaisaka. The Puntahyang embarked on boat to undertake sacred journey, Sidayatra, etc. This is the strategic and media function. The old surviving specimen of Malay language, this inscription is the foundational broadcast of Srivijayan power. It announced the king's sacred journey, framing a military campaign of 20,000 troops as a spiritual pilgrimage. Yeah, there's also Prasasti Talang Tuo and then a lot of Prasasti. So it's like a phonoglyph in one piece. So, this is all the Sriwijaya information strategy, a synthesis. So, Sriwijaya comes from this one. Near from Palembang, near Kota Kapur, Muara Jambi, and then this the two capital, center of power, and then goes to the Malacca, even to Champa, Khmer, and etc. So, this is the geographic distribution as network architecture. Supernatural algorithm, the most durable social media platform ever invented, was Stone. Srivijaya's engineers understood this perfectly. A post carved in andesit last 1,000 years, reach every generation who encounters it. It also have divine personal branding. Across every inscription, the Srivijayan Maharaja accumulates the titles of increasing cosmic magnitude. A single king holds 6 distinct titles spanning military, cosmic, spiritual, and legal domains simultaneously. Well, this matters now because Sriwijaya Prasasti strategy is not merely historical curiosity. It demonstrates that the fundamental mechanics of information warfare broadcasts, glorification, threat, audience saturation, and divine legitimation are not inventions of the digital age. They are features of organized political power at any scale in any era. What makes Sriwijaya remarkable is not that they use propaganda every empire does. What makes them remarkable is the sophistication of their system, the content diversity, the geographic precision, and the ritual binding mechanism, the cosmological framing, and the material permanence. They understood something that digital age communicators are only beginning to articulate. The most powerful broadcast is one that the audience internalize as their own belief. Okay. Well, thank you folks for your attention to this video. See you on the next video. Maybe in a couple of hours will be uploaded again another video.